It may turn out to be an effective method that most people have no idea about. Take a small jar and a piece of aluminum foil. The foil reflects light, creating visual effects that attract attention. Place the jar on the foil and wrap it tightly around it. Then prepare a piece of string and tie it around the jar, making a knot. Now it is time to prepare the mixture. Measure 200 milliliters of apple cider vinegar, which has natural cleansing properties. Add 1 tablespoon of dish soap, which increases effectiveness. Mix the ingredients thoroughly and pour them into the jar. Finally, hang the jar on a branch. This creates an effective insect trap. The smell of vinegar attracts insects, and the dish soap helps get rid of them. The aluminum foil reflects light, creating flashes that can also scare away birds. Additionally, a metal spoon hitting the jar produces sounds that scare them even more. This is a simple way to repel insects, bugs, and birds. A brilliant trap for wasps and hornets. I hang it a few meters from the terrace so I can enjoy meals outside in peace. Making it is incredibly simple. First, you'll need an ordinary plastic bottle. Use a utility knife to cut it about 1/3 of the way up. Insert the cut-off top part back inside, upside down. Then, using a soldering iron or a heated wire, poke 2 holes. They should go through both layers of the bottle. Next, add 2 tablespoons of white sugar to the bottom. Take some regular string, cut 2 pieces, and thread them through the holes. Now, bring the bottle out to the terrace. Finally, crack open a hoppy beer. I just bought the cheapest one at the store, and pour it into the trap. Hang it on a fence or tree, a few meters from the terrace. The sweet scent will lure the wasps in, and once they fly inside, they won't be able to escape. Tie a bottle to a tree. This one problem will disappear for good. It delivers fantastic results. Prepare a tall container. Pour in about 7 fluid ounces of apple cider vinegar. Its strong scent spreads quickly and works as a powerful attractant. Then add 2 tablespoons of dish soap, which helps everything combine and makes it more effective. Add about 3 fluid ounces of water and mix thoroughly. Let me know where you're watching from. Take an empty bottle and pour the mixture into it. Use a soldering iron to make a few small holes, or make them in the cap. Close the bottle, tie a string around it, and trim the excess. Hang the bottle on a tree or branch where insects like flies, fruit flies, or mosquitoes appear. This is an effective way to get rid of insects in your garden. It's also a simple homemade solution for flies and ants. Apple cider vinegar works as a natural bait for fruit flies, attracting them into the trap. Once they get inside, they won't be able to escape. In a short time, you'll notice fewer and fewer insects. Hang a bag of water on a tree, and you won't believe the benefits. This method is truly impressive. Start with a simple plastic bag. Then, prepare aluminum foil. This is the key ingredient. Tear off a piece and divide it into 4 smaller sections, rolling each into a small ball. In a container, pour 500 milliliters of vinegar and dilute it with water. Add a few drops of peppermint oil. Its strong scent acts as a natural repellent. Then, throw in some cloves to enhance the effect. Pour this mixture into the plastic bag and drop in the aluminum foil balls. Tie the bag securely and use a screwdriver to make small holes in the upper part. This will allow the scent to release gradually. Hang the bag on a tree branch, a door, or a window. The combination of reflected light from the foil and the strong scent will keep insects away. Try this trick and enjoy a peaceful space without unwanted guests. My grandpa used to tie cloth strips around every tree in his garden, and now I do the same. Let me show you how and why. All you need is an old, torn rag. Cut it into thin strips. Then prepare some cinnamon bark. Its strong scent keeps ants away. Add a handful of cloves, which interfere with ants' sense of direction. Grind the cloves into a fine powder and pour it into a container. Next, add hot water and mix well. Then add a tablespoon of powdered garlic and finish off with some mint tea. Stir everything thoroughly and let it sit for a few hours. Once it's ready, soak the cloth strips in the solution, making sure they're well saturated. Then wring them out gently and tie them around your trees. You've just made a natural, effective ant repellent. The intense scents of cinnamon, cloves, garlic, and mint will keep ants at bay, and the soaked cloth will act as a long-lasting barrier. The ants will stay away, and your tree will be safe from their attacks. Your home and garden will thank you for this. Heat a fork for about 10 seconds until it's hot. Then press it into a plastic lid. The heat will melt the plastic and create small holes. Make enough of them. Now it's time for coarse salt. Add about 2 tablespoons to the container. Salt acts as a natural absorber. Next ingredient? Alcohol. Pour in about 2 tablespoons. The alcohol will help the mixture release its scent longer and more intensely. Also add some scented laundry beads. They'll give a pleasant, long-lasting fragrance. In a moment, I'll explain why this method is worth trying. Mix all the ingredients well and close the container with the perforated lid. The holes will let the scent slowly escape. It's not just a beautiful, natural fragrance to freshen your home and garden, but also an effective mosquito and insect repellent. This combination of ingredients keeps pests away, so you can enjoy peace and comfort. This is how you catch all the mosquitoes in your garden and home. My grandma showed me a brilliantly simple trap that works surprisingly well. All you need is a regular bucket. Pour in about 1 quart of warm water. Then add 1 tablespoon of dry yeast. As it starts to ferment, it releases carbon dioxide, which is exactly what attracts mosquitoes. Next, add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar and stir until it fully dissolves. The sugar feeds the yeast and boosts the reaction. To make the trap even more effective, add a tablespoon of dish soap. This lowers the surface tension, so when mosquitoes land, they can't escape and will drown. Place the bucket inside a larger cardboard box. Don't seal it completely. Leave a small gap so insects can fly in. Set the trap outside where mosquitoes are most active. In the garden, on the patio, or near a gazebo. Ever since I started using this trick, evenings outdoors have been peaceful again. Try making one yourself and see how well it works. Hang that bag on a branch right away. This method is pure gold for any garden. I couldn't believe it when I first tried it. It works amazingly well. The first thing you need is a resealable plastic bag, preferably a larger one. Now it's time to make the mixture. In a glass container, measure out about half a cup of vinegar. Vinegar has a strong scent that works perfectly here. Add a bit of cold water to dilute it slightly. Next, add about 10 drops of lavender essential oil. It makes a huge difference. Then add 2 sticks of cinnamon bark. It has natural antiseptic properties that enhance the effect. Now take some aluminum foil, tear off a few pieces, and fold them into small squares. This step is more important than it seems. Seal the bag tightly, then use a toothpick to poke a few small holes at the top. This allows the scent to slowly escape. Use clips to hang the bag from a tree or bush, anywhere you often see insects. This mixture repels mosquitoes, flies, and other bugs naturally and effectively. It's a cheap and chemical-free way to keep unwanted pests away.